AI in 2024, a thrilling or terrifying future. Please like and subscribe for future content. Thank you. The evolution of AI in 2024 marks a pivotal moment in technological advancement. Its rapid progress promises to usher in a new era, blending everyday life with futuristic innovation. Yet, this leap forward kindles a mix of anticipation and uncertainty. As society stands on the brink of this digital transformation, the question of how deeply AI should intertwine with human existence remains unanswered. AI innovations in 2024 are nothing short of technological marvels. These breakthroughs have the potential to redefine industries, making processes more efficient and uncovering solutions to complex problems. However, as these marvels unfold, they bring along a shadow of fear. The apprehension stems from potential misuses and the unforeseen consequences these powerful tools might harbor, challenging the very fabric of societal norms. The dilemma of AI in 2024 encapsulates the dual feelings of excitement and anxiety that permeate the digital age. This technological paradox promises unparalleled advancements and conveniences, yet it also raises profound questions about privacy, job displacement, and the erosion of human interactions. Navigating this landscape requires a delicate balance as we embrace innovation while guarding against its potential pitfalls. AI advancements in 2024 are akin to unlocking a vast potential that can propel humanity forward. The promise of solving intractable problems and enhancing quality of life is tantalizing. However, this key to unprecedented possibilities also risks opening Pandora's box. The ethical considerations and unintended consequences of AI deployment pose challenges that demand careful contemplation and robust governance. The future of AI in 2024 presents itself as a dual-edged sword in the realm of technology. On one side, it offers the allure of transformative change, with smarter systems improving efficiency and decision-making. On the flip side, it raises critical concerns about the erosion of privacy, autonomy, and the human touch in our interactions. As we venture into this future, balancing these contrasting aspects becomes imperative to harness AI's true potential while safeguarding our core values. AI integration in 2024 is a pivotal moment for humanity, transforming how we live, work, and interact. However, this transformation is a double-edged sword, presenting both remarkable opportunities and significant challenges. As AI becomes more woven into the fabric of daily life, it has the potential to enhance efficiency and open new avenues for innovation. Yet there's a looming fear that it could also exacerbate inequalities, erode privacy, and render certain jobs obsolete. The impact of AI in 2024 offers a glimpse into a future filled with both wonders and worries. On one hand, AI promises to revolutionize industries, streamline processes, and provide insights beyond human capability. On the other, it raises concerns about surveillance, decision-making biases, and the loss of personal touch in human interactions. This duality fuels a global conversation on the ethical implementation and regulation of AI technologies to ensure they serve humanity's best interests. AI and privacy in 2024 are at a critical crossroads, with innovation pushing the boundaries of what's possible while simultaneously posing risks to individual privacy. Striking a balance is essential to foster trust and acceptance among the public. Innovators and regulators must work hand in hand to create frameworks that protect personal data without stifling the growth and potential benefits of AI technologies. In the workplace, AI in 2024 is set to revolutionize industries, but also stirs anxiety over the future of human jobs. Automation and AI-driven tools can increase productivity and unlock new possibilities for businesses. However, there's a growing concern about the displacement of workers and the need for significant reskilling efforts. Addressing these challenges requires thoughtful policies and educational programs to prepare the workforce for a rapidly changing job landscape. Ethical AI in 2024 is a cornerstone for ensuring a future where innovation is responsible and aligned with societal values. The development and deployment of AI must be guided by ethical principles that prioritize human well-being, fairness, and transparency. By fostering a culture of responsible innovation, we can harness the benefits of AI while mitigating its risks, ensuring that technology advances serve the greater good. The role of AI in healthcare in 2024 presents a fascinating paradox. On one hand, it promises unprecedented advancements in diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. Yet concerns about its reliability and ethical use persist, highlighting a delicate balance between innovation and caution. AI's integration into education is reshaping the learning landscape. It offers personalized learning experiences and efficient administrative tools. However, the shift raises questions about the diminishing role of human interaction in education and its long-term effects. The AI arms race in 2024 underscores a critical global issue. Nations vie for technological supremacy, fostering advancements that could either lead to global stability through superior defense mechanisms or exacerbate geopolitical tensions. In the entertainment sector, AI is redefining creativity and content consumption. It enhances user experiences with tailored recommendations and interactive content. Despite these benefits, there's an underlying fear that AI could ultimately stifle human creativity, making the industry more predictable and less authentic. The environmental impact of AI in 2024 is a double-edged sword. While AI has the potential to address critical issues like climate change and resource management, its significant energy demands and electronic waste pose new environmental challenges, urging a rethink of its sustainable application. AI and governance in 2024 promise to streamline public services, making them more accessible and efficient. However, there's a fine line between using AI for good and infringing on democratic principles. The concern lies in how AI interprets and enforces policies, potentially leading to biases that could compromise the very essence of democracy. AI in cybersecurity has become an indispensable ally, offering robust protection against an ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. Yet this reliance on AI introduces a paradox. The more we depend on it, the more we expose ourselves to new vulnerabilities. Hackers are constantly finding ingenious ways to exploit AI systems, raising questions about our preparedness for such challenges. The integration of AI and social media has transformed how we connect and communicate across the globe. This technological marvel, however, has a darker side. It possesses the power to manipulate public opinion and distort reality, creating echo chambers that exacerbate societal divisions. The ethical use of AI in this realm remains a contentious issue. Personal AI assistants in 2024 have become ubiquitous, offering unprecedented convenience in managing our daily lives. This convenience, however, comes at the cost of privacy. Every query, every command feeds into a database that knows more about us than we may be comfortable with. The balance between utility and privacy is increasingly difficult to maintain. The future of AI ethics is at a crossroads in 2024. We stand on the brink of harnessing AI's full potential to benefit humanity, yet we also face the risk of steering innovation in a direction that could cause harm. The challenge lies in creating a framework that ensures AI advancements are aligned with ethical standards that protect and serve the greater good.